In addition to thousands of presentations and countless opportunities to network and grow your professional connections, the 2023 INFORMS annual meeting will highlight excellence in the field with the INFORMS Awards ceremony, as well as several on-site competitions, including one for the Daniel H. Wagner Prize, which celebrates applications of OR and analytics that are captured in clear, well-written papers. I'm Brad Weber. I'm the host of the 2023 INFORMS annual meeting, and today I'm joined by two members of one of the finalist teams for this year's Wagner Prize, Yujie Chen with Cainiao Network and Biao Yuan with Shanghai Jiao Tong University. Unfortunately, they'll not be able to join us in Phoenix for the competition this year, but I'm so happy and delighted this morning to be able to share their incredible work with the INFORMS community. So to begin with, I'd like to just say a heartfelt congratulations for being named finalists. And we're so sorry you're not able to join, but I'm delighted to see the opportunity to share with you and your incredible network. So tell us a little bit about your team and who was involved with this project, starting with yourselves and your current roles.
Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Yujie Chen. I'm the leader of Cainiao algorithm team, and I'm very glad to be here to share my piece of work during the last 3 years. And for this project, we have in total 5 team members to participate in this project. And I'm leading the algorithm team. I also call it the software engineer team. And actually, to participate in the whole entire program, we have some business guys and the software engineer as well. In total, actually 20 persons in the background to support the entire system online. Okay, and for this small group, I will introduce today. First, myself, Dr. Chen, you can call me, and I graduated from York University, and my background is supply chain optimization and large-scale IT systems. And I'm leading the algorithm team here, and we have another team member. I see who is this? Yujie Zhou, Dr. Zhou, and who also designed the algorithms for the order consolidation problem, and Yujie Chen, another team member here, not participate in the interview here today, but also design the consolidation algorithms. And also I will introduce Dr. Yuan, and he can introduce himself.
Please go ahead.
Hi, Brad. I'm an assistant professor at Shanghai Jiao Tong University. Before joining the university, I was an algorithm expert at Cainiao Network and also a member of Yujie's team. Yes.
Yeah, and the last member is my boss, the leader of artificial intelligence group at Cainiao Network, Hao Yuan. Okay. So that's
well, it's important to make sure you mention, it's very important that you mention your boss, that's for sure. So I want you to talk a little bit about the project. And can you give us a brief summary of the work you've done for us, please?
Okay, I will introduce the project. Actually, this project can be back to 2020. And with the rise of China's export cross-border e-commerce, the cross-border small parcel business is also increasing day by day, and we can see that. And the demand for the logistic and delivery experience from the perspective of customer also increased a lot. Okay, so actually the global customers can enjoy the cheap Chinese industry products at the same time. However, we found some difficulties to do the cross-border e-commerce business. For example, the logistic cost is very high and the waiting time is very long. So compared to the local e-commerce business, to make the cross-border e-commerce business come true, we have to decrease the logistic cost and make the whole process more efficient. That's the background of the project. And we have found some interesting scenarios and data. At that time, we found the behavior of customers, the probability of customers placing the multiple orders within a very short period of time online can be very high. I have some figures. like the proportion of one customers who place more than 2 orders within 1 hour is about 5%, and within 1 day it can be up to 20%. That is a very high, repeatedly consuming online. Okay, and in addition, we have found some other interesting figures, like those customers usually buy very light product. I mean the weight light product in China, and also the price is very low, like less than $5. So they are less likely to pay the high price on the logistic service. So we found some of the logistic cost, like usually we can combine 2 light packages into one. We can save 1 first weight fee and make the low cost logistic fee come true. Okay, that's some of the observations. So combine those 2 observations. I mean, one is repeatedly consuming online and some lightweight product features. So we design, we see, okay, we can design some algorithms that can bring the cheap logistic service and time efficient logistic service to the global customers. So because of this, we start the whole project. Okay, and we design some 3 stages, 3 parts of the algorithms to finally complete the task. And I will introduce Dr. Yuan to explain the whole algorithms in the following process.
Okay.
The relevant optimization problem aims to determine which of each consumer's parcels to form the larger parcels and their new shipping methods, as Dr. Chen mentioned. But one way to solve the problem, we don't know the future information of parcels. Therefore, we first develop a 2-phase online optimization algorithm to solve such an online decision problem. The algorithm first enumerates all possible larger parcel candidates, and then we try to select reasonable larger parcels in real time. Besides this decision algorithm, we also develop a statistical method and a simulation-based optimization method to accurately define the left and the right-hand side coefficients of the constraints for maximize the benefits of the consolidation business model. The above 3 methods work as a whole to address the different challenges faced by Cainiao. That's the summary of the technical methods.
It's just truly amazing. I mean, first of all, thank you so much for all this that you're sharing, all the work that you're doing. I want to ask you one last question. What do you see in the future? What additional plans you have in the future to continue to build on the work that you're doing?
I'm very excited about the futures. In my opinion, the real-time and the on-demand logistics service not only exist in the near-field logistic, or I call the intra-city logistic scenarios, but also in the cross-border scenarios mentioned earlier. That is the long-distance logistic scenarios. So that brings more complex problems during the fulfillment process, and also brings us the opportunities. And in this project, we only built the first stage order consolidation algorithms, even though it's online algorithms. But I believe in the future, we can refine the consolidation problems in more details. I will give you guys some examples we have seen. The first is the big promotion scenario. During the big promotion scenario, we not only balance the cost and the time efficiency of the order fulfillment from the perspective of the consumer's point of view, but also we have to consider the warehousing's throughput capacity, and we have to consider the capacity of each distribution lane. So during these scenarios, the optimization job will be the balance between the cost efficiency, order consolidation for the customer, and our capacity constraints during the resource we have prepared. That's the global efficiency I have to see. And another example I'm looking forward to see is actually currently my team is working on the integrating the express delivery process and the warehousing delivery process together. That we can let our customer enjoy the multi-channel sales experience on a unified platform. In other words, I have to say for the express delivery service, we collect the packages from our merchants, and from the warehousing delivery services, we can let the merchants store their items in advance in our warehouse. So the whole fulfillment process will start from picking the items, the goods in the warehouse, not only from the picking the packages. And back to the consolidation problems, the consolidation object will be from, we can consolidate some items we call SKU, and we consolidate the packages, and sometimes the tasks during the fulfillment process. In our words, now we define a new word, we say the shipment unit. So during the multi-stage of processing, of fulfillment processing, the shipment unit can be different and can be optimized. When the different items and packages can be consolidated or can be combined, and when they can split to different distribution lanes, should be globally considered. So in conclusion, I would say, I believe that with the development of the transportation system and the information system, and the more timely and globally considered algorithms should be designed and to deliver the more efficient, or I would say on-demand logistic service to the global customers.
I am so impressed, and thank you first of all, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today. You've already given your brains to INFORMS on this project. I know your heart's going to be with us in Phoenix, Arizona, so we're going to miss you there. But again, congratulations to you both for being finalists on this project. It has been a distinct pleasure and honor for me to be able to spend this time with you and talk with both of you. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.